Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So Christmas was amazing. We actually had a very nice white Christmas this year. How was all your guys' Christmas? Drop down in the comments what your favorite part of this year's Christmas was. Whether it was getting together with friends and family, food, gifts, whatever it is, drop it down in the comments and let me know about your Christmas this year. But this year, we definitely made sure to pack the kids up with a lot of warm snow gear this year. Last year was our first Christmas here and we got a lot of snow in January, so this year we went ahead and got the kids a lot of snow stuff for this year just to kind of prepare them and get them ready. But we did get them one big gift together and I want to show you what they got and show you a little bit of their fun this year at Christmas time. Alright friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.